I can feel it now.
Okay guys, so now we are heading to a restaurant called Aqua, which is in the Park Hotel itself. And I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's amazing. I mean, you guys tell me. This is my outfit. I have wrapped around this button-down shirt and folded sleeves. When I was planning this outfit, I had absolutely no idea I was gonna wear it like this. I just wrapped around the button down on a whim and it worked so well. And my personal favorite part of the outfit is how well the jeans and the bucket hat go with each other. Like it's literally the same denim and the color, which makes it look so well put together. During this time, I was obsessed with these boots. I honestly am still, but majorly the idea of shoving all my jeans and my bottoms in it to create this baggy effect. Then I'm wearing some biker shorts inside my jeans and some boots with it. And also with this, I'm wearing a bucket hat. Now, I'm not sure if I should wear a bucket hat. What do you guys think? I should, huh? Maybe I will, yeah. Yeah, this is my outfit now.
Welcome back, shoppers. Today's special is a buy one get one free on mental breakdowns, overthinking, and scrolling on your phone. Hurry over to aisle 4 for these items and more.
I love blazers and I layer them over anything and everything, even if it's a hot girl summer. And that's exactly what I did in Hyderabad. Now, it's usually hot there, but during our trip it was raining, so the weather was cool, even though a bit humid, and the blazer felt fine. Yeah, let's say that. But what I do love is how clean this look became because of the blazer and not boring because I did add a pop with the purple bag.
Subscribe for more.
Hi guys, so we are at the Sanctuary Garden in Ramoji Film City and I just wanted to chill out here. So Shivani is shooting a video, I'm just helping her, but the rest I'm chilling. The sun was blazing, as you can see, and I did apply sunscreen if you're wondering. But since it was a hot day, I wanted to keep it casual. Just wore this t-shirt, shorts, and threw a bucket hat because obviously my hair was not in the best of its condition. So it's the next day, and this is my outfit. I'm wearing this black dress, which sort of gives, dark academia vibes. I mean, you could say I could have worn this with a tie. I mean, that would have been more dark academia, but that's not the look for today. I'm wearing these dangly earrings, which are from Carlton, London. And yeah, I kind of mismatched my earrings. I thought it would look cool, so I have a ring.
We walk into places we've never seen before.
For the shoes, I'm wearing my boots, which I wore in pretty much every single outfit. But yeah, I don't think you can carry much footwear, when you're traveling. So. As you can clearly see by my puffy eyes and unkempt hair, I woke up really early for this one. It was my airport outfit, and I did not have it in me to style it much, so I put on the first few things that caught my eye, but still got some really cool airport pictures with this one, and I'm happy about it. Also, I repeated pretty much every single piece in this look, but it still became a fresh outfit for the airport, and this really just shows the power of repeating your clothes and how differently you can style them.
We cross this road tonight.
I have no idea what I'm saying in this clip, but here's the thing about this outfit. The park, which is the hotel we were staying at, had planned this special dinner for us, and so I had to dress up a bit. With only comfy clothes in my bag, this top and skirt that I brought for a just in case situation were put to good use. And I really like how it frames the body, especially cinching my waist. Hey guys, so we're at the veranda and I'm trying out this special Hyderabadi dessert, and it's called Khubani Ka Meetha. So let's try this out.
넌 어디서 왔니? 어디서도 보지 못한 그대 눈빛
Outfit of the day, although I'm not wearing something crazy, I just wore something very chill because I know I am going to be shopping. So this is a shirt that I thrifted, and then it has like politeness. It has like politeness written over it, and it's kind of vintage, you know, worn out sort of look. And I have shorts which I got from H&M. Basic simple. I've got my sliders, my slippers, cool. And then I have this little accessory that I just stole from Shivani because of this video, and it's from
Urbanic.
It's from Urbanic. So this is my outfit of the day.
So we were just looking around for different things, and I felt bad that we didn't have IKEA in Delhi. Like, imagine all the stuff we could get without having to worry about fitting it in our luggage.
sunburned shoulder